What happens when entire galaxies crash into each other? Not stars, not planets, but trillions of stars and black holes slamming together in cosmic chaos. And here's the twist. This isn't science fiction, it's already happening. And yes, our own Milky Way is next in line. Every 3 billion years, galaxies collide in a breathtaking display of destruction and rebirth. Take the Andromeda galaxy, the closest spiral neighbor to our Milky Way. It's hurtling toward us, at over 110 kilometers per second. And in about 4 billion years, the Milky Way and Andromeda will merge into a brand new supergalaxy astronomers call Milkomeda. But here's what's mind-blowing. Stars almost never collide, space is just too vast. Instead, gravitational forces will reshape galaxies, sling stars into new orbits, and awaken dormant black holes. The result? Quasar storms, nebulae torn apart, and new star systems being born from the chaos. It's destruction, but also cosmic rebirth. So what does this mean for Earth? Should we panic? Not quite. Our sun will likely be flung into a new orbit, but Earth might survive untouched. In fact, the night sky will become more dazzling than ever, filled with glowing gas clouds and double galactic arms. But there's a twist. Long before this galactic event, the sun will become a red giant, making Earth uninhabitable. We may never witness the Milky Way's end, but understanding it unlocks secrets about our cosmic past and future. Galaxy collisions show us how even the most massive systems in the universe are constantly evolving. It's a reminder of how fragile and yet resilient our place in the cosmos truly is. So if you're fascinated by space mysteries and cosmic predictions, like this video, subscribe for more mind-blowing science stories, and drop a comment. What would you do if Earth had a front row seat to a galactic smash?